I went to my local Carrefour hypermarket because they are doing a sale right now. Buy 2 toys and get 1 for free. To get this JDM Legends set by Majorette that I knew my local store still had a bunch of, like half a case. Did not find all of them. The R34 was sold out, but I got the other 5. And to my surprise, I noticed that they had gotten a new Mattel delivery. And this Fast and Furious set, yeah, these new Majorette cards don't want to stand up. It's very annoying, and I can imagine stores that want to put them on a shelf and not hang them on a peg, because the pegs in usually over here are too thick to put these on. They don't fit because the pegs are so long, they have to be thicker, and they don't fit. But putting them on the shelf is not an option because they fall over, unfortunately. Or at least some of them do, depending on the weight, I guess, or the weight distribution. So I noticed they had some new Mattel produce, and this set caught my eye. So a Hot Wheels Silver Series Fast and Furious graphic remix. And this year is 25 years of Fast and Furious, 2025, 25 in 2025, I guess. And I didn't even notice it in store, but when I got home, I noticed that there's some similar vehicles in here. So I thought, well, you know, that would make for possibly an interesting video. So let's compare these. They're both the same price. 2 plus 1 for free comes down to 33.34% discount. So that's how I calculate that. So let's start with number 1 of 5. So here's the whole set. We got the complete set, 5, and then incomplete set, but also 5. Honda S2000 Ryu Asada casting. So these are made in Thailand in the Matchbox factory. So I'm going to open them up the Matchbox way. Plastic base. 2011 was the first release of this casting. So let's immediately open up this one too. So JDM Legends, moving parts. JDM, it says there in Japanese, I guess, also. Honda S2000. JDM Legends premium cars. I have the deluxe ones also. That S2000 is also in the deluxe. I still need to do a video on that set. It's got this new opening feature here that doesn't work very well because they tape the lip that you have to pull to the cardboard, so that makes it kind of difficult. There's several other ways to open it, I guess. Aurel of the Quirky Garage 1999 showed this way of opening it, while just bending it like that, and then grabbing the back here, and then you can open it like that. It comes apart completely, so you can nicely recycle the blister and the plastics, and then the cardboard. There you go, and then the cardboard with paper, of course. All right, so Majorette, of course, will be bigger. They are usually bigger scale than Hot Wheels. They both have nice wheels, I think. They both have open holes between the spokes, so you can see through them. Kind of harder on the Hot Wheels ones because they're kind of smaller. There you go. But yeah, both nice wheels. Of course, this is the Majorette one is a stock looking one, and then the Hot Wheels is definitely not stock looking. Also, this one has the hardtop, of course, and the spoiler or the wing on the back, which the regular release does not have. Regular version. So yeah, quite a few differences. So you get special wheels with the Silver Series. and full deco usually, although full deco is kind of a stretch sometimes, in my opinion. I like the pink interior on the Fast and Furious version. S2000 on the side of the Majorette. So Majorette, you get lens headlights, you get suspension, and you get an opening part, in this case the hood. Let's see, or bonnet, to get that open with my tool to not scratch it. I hate it when people use sharp things to open these up. Well, sometimes you probably have to, because otherwise it won't open, like this one. But yeah, I don't like it. Risking scratching it. Oh yeah, it comes off completely. That's why it's kind of hard to get it off. So you got a plastic engine in there, but still a lot of metal on the sides here. And this is also metal. This, yeah. A hood or bonnet. And then interior-wise, the Majorette will be much nicer. It will have a authentic steering wheel and overall good-looking interior. Hot Wheels is not bad, but definitely less detailed. So for the same money, you get more metal, although, well, I think more metal on the Hot Wheels, even though it's got more metal here on the Majorette. But you get more bang for your buck from Majorette with the suspension and lens headlights. But I guess to some, the Hot Wheels is more exciting because it's fast and furious. And, you know, there's just more hype around Hot Wheels than there is with the Majorette. So a lot of people are still going to prefer the Hot Wheels. I prefer the Majorette though. But they're both nice. Both the same but different. It's cool. Then number 205, Lancer Evolution 7. And here we got the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9. So both Evos, Evo 7 and Evo 9. So not the same, but again, interesting that there's so many of the same cars in these two sets. Let's take a look at them. I think you can just also pull it like this. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, just like that. That also works. So nowadays these have these clips on some of the opening parts. Not on the ones that come off completely. So this is a reverse base that shows you that this is an oldie. 2004 was probably the first release. Yeah, that's pretty old. So same wheels on the Majorette as on the S2000, but with dark or black paint on it. This one's got the double 5 spokes, which are nice wheels too. Very nice blue color. The Majorette has that little window and the door there that is still there. On the Hot Wheels, it's part of the diecast, so a little bit too small to actually make it a window, I think. So we're going to have slight differences, of course, because these are not the exact same models. Very dark window tint on the Majorette, so you get the dark headlights. I would like them to be a little bit more lighter, but that's just my personal preference. Again, nice steering wheel, bucket seats. Cool stuff. Door cards are detailed also too. This casting has not been used very much. I think it's very unpopular for some reason. I think it's quite okay. Different wing on the back. Of course, again, different model years. They both have the side mirrors, yeah. And this one's got the roll cage in the back. Does this one have a roll cage? Yes, it also has a roll cage in the back. So there's another similarity there. Cool stuff. The next two have nothing to do with one another except that they're blue and the model name ends with an A. So number 305, Volkswagen Jetta Mark III and the Toyota Supra JZA80. No need to compare these two. That would not make any sense at all. But yeah, I've only got the white Fast and Furious version, so I did not have this blue one. So I'm very pleased with it. It's got the white interior. Also got the roll cage in the back. Yeah, sweet. I don't know if there's less in these cases of the Volkswagen, because I only found like 3 of them, and the other ones were much more abundant. So here we got another clip on the hood or bonnet. So this one does not have the open spokes, open holes between the spokes, I mean. That's unfortunate. This one has a metal engine, unpainted. Well, a little bit painted on the side here. Well, that's not the engine, but the other components around the engine. So lots of metal on this thing. Definitely good value for money. The Majorette offers amazing value for money. There's no denying that. Are they as exciting as some Hot Wheels? Well, to some probably not, but that just depends on what you really like. Then we got 2 Silvias S15, number 4 or 5 in the graphic remix. The Majorette one says that it's a Spec R Aero. Yeah, don't know the significance of that, but well. Yeah, it also mentions it on the base of the Majorette. That's that special spec version. Got a little bit of tread on the tires too, on the Majorettes that the Hot Wheels don't have. So again, the double 5 spokes on the Hot Wheels and the single 5 spokes on the Majorette. Again, this time a combination of chrome and black. So kind of the combination of the previous two that had these rims. Profile wise, they look quite different. Yeah, seems like proportions are different on these. I don't know who did the best job. I don't know the real car. I've never seen one in real life. I like that the Majorette has the open space underneath the spoiler that the Hot Wheels does not have. Double exhaust on the Majorette and single big exhaust on the Hot Wheels. Of course, we got the side graphics on the Hot Wheels. On the Majorette, we got the indicator repeater, and then Spec R down there. Cool. In the front they look quite similar, but not exactly the same. Is that the S for Silvia on the hood or bonnet? I guess it is. Hot Wheels does do these, what I think are these. Are these windscreen fluid spray things? I'm not sure. They look like it. Majorette doesn't have them. But Majorette does have opening doors. Again, we got what look to be like bucket seats and very nice steering wheel. Cool stuff. And then the last two don't have a lot of similarities either, besides the fact that they're both gray or silver sedans. One is the custom Acura Integra sedan GSR, or in French, personnalisé. French for custom, I guess. It's a 5 of 5. This is the one that has the metal base. So the best value of the whole set, of course. It's just missing real riders. Like these tiny old school wheels. They're kind of cool. HKS on the bumper in the back. Is that a number 11 down there? Seems like it. Yeah. Definitely done well, tempo-wise. Yeah, no roll cage in this, it seems. And then we got the Toyota Century by Majorette. I thought I had cut one open. Oh, look at that. This one comes off. You put your nail underneath it. You can get the glue off, and then look at that. We managed to open it up the way it's supposed to. Well, at least we did with one. Drum roll. Oh well. Yeah. So the Majorettes all have the plastic bases, but you know, you do get suspension and the lens headlights and the moving parts. Century printed on the boot or trunk. Partial plastic and partial metal bumper. It's got that insignia there. This one also seems to have bucket seats. It's a bit silly for a luxury vehicle. Nice steering wheel again. I know some of you don't care about that, but I do. Got the mirrors on the wings in the front. Thanks for watching.